Oh, yes, you're welcome back to today for a powerful broadcast. It is the issue concerning the Israel and Biafra, and this time we'll call it a good news, a very good news, because the sun is shining on Biafran nation gradually. For those who will be thinking that nothing is happening, everywhere is silent, that is not true. Something is happening underground, and many things is going on international and the national. Already, what you may be seeing in Nigeria, you may see many people keep silent and keep looking because of no politics have reached. So many people is trying to secure their post on their power, and they one thing or the other. In fact, what is really going on in Israel right now, it is a banger. It is shocking right now. So according to headline, it says finally Israel coming to southeast to support Biafra for total independence of its freedom from Nigeria. In fact, don't skip any part of the video. Try to watch it to the end so that you will understand everything that is going on. And this our lady, this Israeli lady that is, she's in the Israeli parliament, and she's among of those that is speaking and that is pushing for the freedom of Biafra. In fact, in many ways, and then she has gone so many places to sign and to submit Biafran documents to the world and to the Israel government, mostly to Netanyahu, making sure that Netanyahu, the president of Israel, the prime minister of Israel, he knows what is happening in Nigeria. In fact, the way they are promoting the issue of Biafra, it is going higher and higher every day. Then don't skip any part of it, because she said a lot of things here concerning what is going on in Israel and how they are planning to make sure that freedom and also Muslim can have their freedom. In fact, don't skip any part. You're going to hear everything from this Biafran activist. She's going to explain everything to us the way things is going. As you're about to watch, like, subscribe, and share it for everyone to see what is happening in Biafra land.
This woman, one they see for inside this particular headline, her name is Nwosu, as you can see from her official Twitter handle. And this woman is an Israeli woman. She's not from Nigeria, but she just married to a Nigerian man. In fact, she didn't just marry a Nigerian man, she married an Igbo man. And as they talk, they said her husband is late, but her husband is a lover and believer of Biafran. So I think they said this woman vow that she's going to follow her husband's legacy by making sure that she will do all she can to bring or attract the attention of Israeli Prime Minister or Israeli official. May they come and help Biafrans. And since then, this woman has been doing a lot. She have actually attracted the attention of Netanyahu and also some Israeli officials. Now, my people, the latest update about 2 days ago, she traveled to Jerusalem and updated Biafrans that she is, as you can see, this update came out 2 days ago. She traveled to Jerusalem on behalf of Biafra issue. So she went there and promised Biafrans that however her journey is going to be, that we should just know that she is going there on Biafra case and also on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case, and that is her mission, that she's going to keep us updated as the matter be. So today she don't drop a follow-up update on that matter. So she said, yesterday at the Israeli parliament, I met some of our parliament members. Some of them will honor us on 30th of May, Memorial Day. I know what I am doing. I know my commitment and to whom my loyalty is. Others can do the same wherever they live their comfortable life. All hail Biafra. So she can drop us some pictures and also short video clips. She told us that her journey where she tell us say she dey travel to Jerusalem on Biafra issue and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu issue, that she will give us a follow-up update. She tell us say it dey successful, that she were able to meet some Israeli parliament, like some senators under Israeli, my people. And they promise that on that day, on 30th of May, which is a memorable day for all Biafrans, a day set aside to remember all the fallen heroes in the course of Biafra struggle, that some Israeli parliament, they are going to be around to celebrate that special day with Biafrans. Chai, what did this one mean? Wetin e mean be say Israel don't promise to support Biafra. Remember that it was this woman that brought that viral video. It was her that made Israeli, my people, to start looking at Biafra. She even went ahead to bring some Biafra people wey give some of the history wetin Biafran suffered during Biafra war. That right now, guys, Israel don't promise that on 30th of May that they are going to celebrate it with us. Do you know what that means? This is the big news, my people. This could mean so many things. So this is her picture with some Israeli parliament. You can see her there. Look at her picture. Make her allow me to watch this little video clip that she dropped.
Hi, this is Nwosu again at our parliament, the Knesset. Today is 13th of May, 2026. Very soon I will leave. I've been here since morning. I had meetings with 3 Knesset members that are supporting us, will support us. Even one of them will come to our memorial, 30th May memorial ceremony, and I'm very happy about it. There is an achievement, but I can't now say it publicly because of certain reasons, but know that I'm on my best and on the right way.
Now only God go bless you guys. Drop some words of prayers in the comment section for this our beautiful wife, Rachel Nwosu. Abeg, e no dey easy. Lolo Chimezie, see your fellow woman. Oh. See your fellow woman. See your fellow woman. You are an Igbo by birth and also by marriage. And you dey do this thing to your brother and to your husband. Shame on your personality. See your fellow woman, see what she dey do. Chai, this one na big shame. My people, no be small thing o. So on the 30th of May, we are going to be having important visitor. Yes, so my people, visitors that will celebrate that day, that special day with us. Chai, 2026 May 30th is going to be a special one. Guys, I beg, share this video. Let other people be aware of what is going to happen very soon. Make her around and make una watch the remaining videos about what happened today. I beg, guys, take your time and watch all of these videos because important information about what is trending right now there inside.
Today is a very beautiful day, I must tell you people in this very country, and may God bless Mazina, the Kanu Simon and Dr. Nwosu anywhere they are. Now I just want to quickly say this. Lolo Chimezie, she is actually not directly attacking Mazina the Kanu. Now she wants to attack everything that Mazina the Kanu has done in the past. Everything that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu has built, all the structures of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is what she is attacking. You know why? Because of Bianca Olowu. Bianca Olowu is the major reason why all this is happening. Now, Bianca Olowu was given foreign affairs minister. Some of you didn't ask question why. The reason why they made her foreign affairs minister is because of Simon Ekpa's upcoming case, and they know Simon Ekpa is going to be free, and they know Simon Ekpa will come and defend this mandate. So the Nigerian government has played their last card. They don't know what to do, so they are now using women to make sure that they attack what Mazen Nnamdi Kanu has done by fighting Simon Ekpa codedly. They are telling you that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is in the prison, causing confusion everywhere. Ask them, how is a man giving order from prison to constitute nuisance outside when Simon has been removed? What is the harmfulness of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu that is incarcerated far north? You find out that they are not attacking Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, they are attacking Simon Ekpa that is coming out to defend the land of Biafra. And Tinubu, being a very strategic and a very smart and intelligent criminal, now use Bianca Olowu, put her in the upper echelon, so that when the need arises, they will push her to go and fight her own brothers. They don't want to put the Yoruba man there. They don't want Hausa to be involved. They want you to be the one fighting yourself, just like what is he called now? The former president of Nigeria said, Obasanjo, use Igbos to fight Igbos. That is what Tinubu, that is the strategy of Tinubu. Very intelligent and smart criminal. That is what he is doing. So Lolo Chimezie is not directly attacking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He's attacking the structure of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, attacking everything that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have believed in, have built over the years. That is what she's attacking, and we're not going to watch that to happen. We're not going to sit here and watch that happen. Let me tell you people this, and I mean it from my heart of hearts. Any one of you that becomes an impediment to the total restoration of the freedom of Biafra will be crushed. And I wasn't mixing words when I said it. Any one of you, starting from Lolo Chimezie, Imam Madabu, Ogen Kerry, Bianca Olowu, that becomes an impediment to our total restoration will be totally crushed. It doesn't matter where you live. It doesn't matter what you do. The God Almighty sees the heavens and the earth from where he's seated. So we will ask him to crush all of you. It doesn't matter. So this is why I came here to tell Biafrans, this woman is not attacking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu directly. He's attacking everything that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has believed in over the years. Thank you. And I'll see you.
Watch some of the videos about what they go on a lot.
Ogbonia Francis Mugur, my governor. Because you have my grandma Ibanye, but I'm the classroom. They watch a little community. Long way she get put a gun. I am neck at what I get. Because my governor Ogbonia Francis Mugur, Governor Kulejere. Watch Nibaya was again. I be she put a la roll. Angry one, grandma Eze Kuna, Choi J school, Choi Buru, la roll. Meshike, but I say, Mecca, le all reason, le Zanot, Umoro, Obulechi, what them we do school, what them we mean. You are on in school. Or that I may plaster with the Ado. Oh, she make it hold to go alone. He could oh, we kid up mats. I am who get we send them dividend by better check. Maro all the prominent men and well as that Meshike. Watch my grammar school and I be she put a la roll. Suti Meshike. He Meshike, but I know say Mecca. A Mali Bonia Zamurique. A Terugamo school and Oblivia Iran iron, or maybe iron, or lay trying plaster than you obure. Because but I know say Mecca, all is send your Amazo. Or shall not do send your Amazo. Send your master of this community. Watch my grandma again. What them way Osha not do. What them way school. Who do me the Yamata? Bemaro, oh my grandma says the Kuna. Share this video and tag governor. Ogbonia Francis Aramaro, Meshika, my governor. Mali is such a homo, it is disappointing law. Or what you go rob you labor on your blue. Now get my don't usually have get my don't you pull out a just school. If I don't know the ship would be just school. Palawa school like a window they should under community be a just school. Maro, undouble where undo the great elite of Ezekona. Undo the great elite of Ezekona Pico. Man, let me check how we are. No, but I say, Mac, le village again. Eto mo do ile wolf tan wishi 100,000. Eto do ile wolf tishi 20,000. About oh why je kware. So be je timber shade. So be je agboka so be je anya cake. Before we went a penny. Oh penny we ta we get rock nana. Maki we get bia ka bia kwa okunu pupu mel. Oblo nyi be waro. Be ma ro my governor Ogbonia Francis Nwikuru. Meshinike. Igwe bu my grandma. Le jilata tu chile. Weta we dundu kuji weta state. Oh headmaster la headmaster. Loro teacher. Loro chiko my grandma. E watch onya atabo nyen kuji. O ma ze eno me to ku fele ka bu kuji. Ndo ile ale kanta, ndo ile geta bu community. Be ma ro meshike my governor. Imeri ayimbe ndo onworo. Orizo lo bulechi la atoro ekwo anya tuje ha kwaro. Imeri ante chike gojo gi mera yo no. Ai sa de kinu me Say, I don't know. Thank you.
So guys, I'm sorry for giving on a video where una no fit understand the language. Many people no fit understand this language, although na Igbo language, but this dialect is there from Abakaliki. These people, this is Abakaliki dialect. Una see as small children, school children, they were kneeling down, including their teachers, begging the governor, in case you don't understand what happened here, the governor of Ebonyi State, Francis Mwifuru, begging him for just the basic amenities. The basic amenities, my people. Just make it, give them a nice environment. This school where they see say now one primary school for Ebonyi State. Una see how the school compound dey. Una see how the place where children they study dey. In fact, there is even another one yesterday that I showed in my other channel. I will still post that video again. Make una see the younger ones, still from Ebonyi State. They were sitting on the floor. If una see the body of those children, just because they want to acquire education. And these governors, this APC governor, where Ogbonnewifuru be one of them. They were the people where they talk say they all of them contributed 25 billion naira for Tinubu to use to campaign for his coming election. My people, imagine they need and they beg him as they don't turn themselves to God because you be governor. They have to beg you before you do what you are called to do. Now wow. So moving on to the next headline.
So I don't know. Listen, it's now that I understand the quote of, I think, Gowon, where he said, if he knew, he wouldn't have go into war with Biafra. He would have used money to buy some Biafrans to buy themselves. Now, just watch this video to understand that quote better. So this woman you're seeing on my screen now, the Bianco, no, you know, before now they make him minister, but recently they promoted her from that ministerial position to higher level of that ministerial position. So something happened. Dr. Ngozi Orabweze visited Trump recently. In fact, I want you to hear it from this video. Make it not be like saying me they talk. This woman they call Bianco no is the most bad thing that have happened to Igbos, to Biafrans, because of her selfish interest. Bianco no was why even Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is never been released. Bianco no was why Simon Ekpa was locked. And now he has started it with Dr. Ngozi Orabweze. So please, one thing you should help me do in this video is to like, comment, and share this video. Let's listen.
Dr. Ngozi Orabweze, the Deputy Prime Minister of United States of Biafra, don't carry waka, go visit Mazi Chinedu Donald J. Trump. And according to the information, when she get to the White House, do you know what happened? I will tell you what happened. The congressmen and also the right-hand man, maybe we call it in a Nigerian government ADC. That's somebody that is a special assistant director, commissioner. I don't know what they used to call them. ADC, that is somebody who is after, before you meet Oga Trump, you have to meet that very particular person. I don't know the full meaning of ADC. I think whether an ADC party, African Democratic Congress. But that is not the issue. The issue there now is when she get there, before she even have a meeting with Donald J. Trump, to open a file for her. And inside that file, they show over 38 petitions written against her, against Nnamdi Kanu, against Simon Ekpa, and against the Biafra Liberation. And the most surprising and most funniest part of all this is, do you know who write all those petitions? It is not Nigerian government. It is not Tunumbu. I know why I say that, but don't worry. I know you will say Nigerian government is one that employed her. Okay. It is not Nigerian government signature or letter seal. It is not emanated from Asorok. It never emanated from Fulani Caliphate. It never emanated from Sultan of Sokoto. Do you know why it emanated? It emanated from the office of the so-called Minister of Interior, I mean Minister of Foreign Affairs, Bianca Ono. So when she get there,
don't forget that they promoted that woman recently to that ministerial position. Before, I think she's a state ministerial position, but now they make it international. Let's hear from this our brother.
They open the catalog of petition this woman have used her office to write against the Biafrans. You see the reason why they promote this woman. You see the reason why they remove her from Minister of Foreign Affairs for state. Now they have given her Minister of Foreign Affairs for federal.
Okay.
I will explain some certain things
Minister
that
of Foreign Affairs,
but
yeah.
please, just give me some few minutes of your time, please, before I will allow you to listen to the important information coming from this our brother EO True Sport. So the reason why they elevate this woman is because she has done the dirty job for them, and now they have to round up. What I mean by round up, they have to conclude everything they have been doing. Anywhere this woman went, do you know what she used to say? She would tell them that she is the wife of late Chukwu Emeka Odumegwu Ojukwu. And also, she told them, I mean different countries that she have been meeting, that the reason why the federal government of Nigeria make her the Minister of Foreign Affairs is because Ojukwu, her husband, told her in clear terms that that's nothing like Biafra agitation again, that what he did in the past was a mistake. This is the lie this woman keep on going. She lied about this in the Knesset, which is the parliament of Israel. But thank God that the next message I'm going to bring here now is the Israel now. They don't reconvene after the visit of Bianca Ono. I said in one of my clips yesterday or day before yesterday that since that woman visited Israel, we never hear anything from Knesset again, the Israel parliament. But glory be to God that after she went there to lie all the whole lie, they took their time to make investigations to find out whether all she said is true or she just trying to defend the government of the day that is bent on destroying her own people. You see how we have been selling our people penny enough because of power and position and stomach infrastructure. So they have concluded their investigation and found out that this woman lie more than lie Mohammed. And now they have reconvened. The next video I will bring here, before I even bring that ABC of 18, my brother, the next video will be that. And you will hear everything the way it is in a clear terms. Let me allow you to listen to this video.
So, recently I begin to hear that our Deputy Prime Minister, Her Excellency Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, was deported. But immediately I heard that within me I said, this can't happen because already I know that if this should be happened, it is come from the enemies, Bianca Ono and co. You understand? But how can they come from them where American government is pushing very, very hard? And they really know what Dr. Ngozi Orabueze stand for. And Dr. Ngozi Orabueze have never committed anything, any offense, none to the public. In fact, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, immediately the declaration of Biafra, she has to make everything that is happening in Biafra land to make sure that the Biafra government stand firm. Whoever that is supporting Biafra government stand firm for everyone to know what exactly that is going on in Biafra land. When he he make sure that everyone stand firm. The politician in Southeast in Biafra land don't have any other options than to withdraw their killers. That's why Southeast Biafra land is calm as it is now. You understand? So when I listen to this video is not far from the truth. Waiting this our brother talk here is not far from the truth. Unless you don't want to tell yourself the truth, it is not far from the truth. That's just the fact. Because although by the side of Israel, I believe why Israel ceased without being saying something about Biafra is because of what exactly is going on in Iran. And now I believe what is going on in Iran never stop. But recently we have seen a video, and that Okoye, that woman, that an Israeli woman that is pushing for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Biafra freedom in Israeli parliament, have tweeted and said that since after the war that the Israel parliament stopped work, but after the war they now went back to work, and she have to travel there to begin to push again. We have seen the video and we have seen the tweet of that woman. Even the video I posted now, especially those of you that is watching from YouTube, it will clear you, which I will take the link now. If you are watching from Facebook, I will post the link on the comment section so that you will truly understand exactly what is playing in Israel. You understand? So this video is not far from the truth. Try to like, comment and share this video massively for others to watch. So now the thing where they happen, Bianco know na bad thing wey happen to Biafrans, and that is why the zoo government is using this woman to make sure that they stop Biafrans, to make sure that everything we are doing about this Biafra freedom is proving abortive. But this time around, according to what you hear this our brother talk, where he said that Israel carried on investigation even before now. If Israel know Nigeria from the birth, even there is a video I watched some times ago where somebody in Ubilu, you understand, interviewed in his podcast, where one man that was one of those who fought for Biafra then is saying that Israel is on ground fighting along with Biafrans then. So Israel did not just start defending Biafra. It did not start from today. It has been long Israel started this. It has been long Israel started this. And I believe at this point in time that they know that Nigeria is being hijacked by terrorists. And that is exactly what make Israel go into war with Iran. That is exactly what make Israel go into war with Iran. And they know that if the terrorists succeeded, hijacked Nigeria, exactly what is playing in Iran we play between them and Nigeria, because the target is to pull America and Israel down. After that two countries, definitely they will take over the world. But guess what? Israel and America did not give them any chance. And Nigeria have a lot of natural mineral resources that will help them to attack anywhere in the world. And that's why Iran, if you know that, if you notice, you will notice that Iran and Nigeria is like that, is like this, and even other terrorist organization around the world. Nigeria is always supporting them. Let me leave you people here, but if you watch this video to this extent, you will understand what exactly that is going on. But one thing I want to show you here now is that Nigeria must go down. It no matter who you be. It no matter who you be. Everything is openly. There is no hidden thing again. That you are a foreign whatever. You no mean again. You be Nigeria president, a governor, a senator. You no mean again. Nigeria must go down. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you and God bless you.
Oh yes, you all have seen everything that is going on in Nigeria and the way the Biafran issue is going. So there is no any issue of where is the evidence, where is the answer. So the answer is everywhere, the evidence is everywhere. The Biafra movement is growing high every day. There is no need of still doubting. This woman, she's doing a lot. She's doing a lot. You will have seen her work and what she said that is happening in Israel. So concerning Bianca Ono, no matter how she behaves, God past devil. That is what we know. God is above devil, no matter how. So we will keep working. The Biafran people will keep working, and the Muslim kind of definitely he will come out from the prison, from the place he is, because I'm not sure he's just doing his own. So God have his own plan for him. That is what is there. And we'll talk about the issue concerning what is happening in Ebonyi State. Everybody is seeing how the Nigerian government is. Whenever they comes into power, they'll be claiming that vote me in, everything will be okay, vote me in, everything will be okay. At the end, they will never do something right. The children, they are suffering, no school. Some of them, in fact, one of the video I saw, it is where the whole students, every student, they're all sitting on the floor writing. In fact, it's very, very shameful and a very pitiful something to say. And then the government, they need to do the needful and they need to do the right thing, not waiting until when the people start talking before they will rise up and they do what they're supposed to do. In fact, a lot is happening, but what we need and what we know is that at the end, we'll get to where we are going. So as you're watching, like, subscribe, share it, let everyone see things going on in Biafra. We say thank you for watching.